Cyfle i Burke. Rhoed hon i mewn i'r canol. I mewn mae'n dod. Jared Wright yn clirio, ddim yn bell. Mendes cadw'r bel yn fyw. Bel yn disgyn i Mendes. Cyfle am ergyd gan Aaron Edwards. Cael ei rwystra gan Jared Wright. Pontypridd methu delio efo'r gic. Bel yn cyrraedd Aaron Edwards, ond gwaith da gan Jared Wright yn ei wyneb o fel oedd yn ergydio. Absalom. Teg at Newell, bel dros ben pawb, cyrraedd Luke Wall. Wall tu fewn i Cummings. Bel i'r canol, Davies yn clirio. Nôl mae'n dod gan Burke. Cael ei clirio eto. It's Joe Hunt. Green yn dianc efais a cyfle yma i Pontypridd wrth ymosod. Joe Hunt, bel ar draws i Clayton Green, yr ergyd gan Green. A dyna chi arbediad gan Celyn Absalom. Pontypridd y gwrth ymosod yn sydyn. Bel yn cyrraedd Clayton Green yn y canol. Ergyd Green ar targed. Gwaith da gan Celyn Absalom yn y gol. Parhau'n i sgor yma ar faes tegid. Smith yn ennill y peniad. Iwan Roberts, dianc efo'r bel. Lle o flaen Roberts. Allan mae'n dod at Malkin. Oli Shannon. Roberts. Teg at y post y pella. Teg at Nathan Pete. A gwaith arwrol ar y llinell gan Ceston Davies. Llada Nathan Pete yn goleuo wrth weld y bel yn dod teg ato fo. Yr peniad ar targed. Ond Ceston Davies ar y llinell. Gwaith anhygol gan yr amddiffynwr i gadw'r gêm am ddisgor.
Do you feel that sense of togetherness there with the boys today?
Yeah, like I said, it's been for a couple of weeks. Obviously, it's been frustrating, but we had to sort of get back to basics, and we did. You know, I thought there was only one team that looked like winning, especially in the second half, and that was us. We weren't much in the game in terms of chances, but yeah, really proud of the players tonight.
Well, Colin, draw a fair result, would you say, today?
Yeah, maybe, yeah. I think we defended really well, like we do most weeks. Outstanding display defensively, but you know, they've come and set the stall out, and they've played 5 across the back. Obviously it's hard to break down, and we just needed a bit of quality. Too many of our lads were not at it today, too many not at the office, but you know, the lads have done great defensively. Last season we would have lost it maybe 2 or 3 late on, and then on the counter when they were trying to break, they were you know, we were in control of that. So it's really important that we didn't lose, but we just need to be a lot better going forward.
It wasn't pretty at all, to be honest. Not much in the game. 2 keepers didn't really make any saves or nothing. Not many chances created either by both teams, but just need to take the point and move on.